Curious about investing in crypto without the hassle? Enter the Crypto ETF. Disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. I am not a licensed financial advisor. Always do your own research and consult a certified financial professional before making any investment decisions. A crypto ETF, or exchange-traded fund, allows you to invest in cryptocurrencies through the stock market. Think of it as buying a Bitcoin stock, no wallets, no private keys, just shares on the exchange. Crypto ETFs come in two main types: spot ETFs and futures ETFs. Spot crypto ETFs hold actual cryptocurrency assets, like Bitcoin in cold storage. Their value directly tracks the crypto price, like the Purpose Bitcoin ETF, the world's first. On the flip side, futures-based crypto ETFs use futures contracts to track prices but can have tracking errors. Canada has led the way in crypto ETFs, approving the first Bitcoin ETF in 2021. You can find popular ETFs like the Purpose Bitcoin ETF and Sea Galaxy Bitcoin ETF. These ETFs are available through any regular Canadian brokerage, just like stocks. In January 2024, the US finally approved spot Bitcoin ETFs after a long wait. Big names like BlackRock and Fidelity are stepping in, enhancing crypto's mainstream appeal. Crypto ETFs provide many benefits. They are regulated, secure, and easy to trade. Forget the risk of losing your wallet or handling private keys. You're in safe hands. Plus, tax reporting is much simpler than managing direct crypto assets. However, it's not all sunshine. Crypto can be volatile, and ETFs reflect that. Fees are something to consider too, as they can eat into your returns over time. And remember, you don't actually own the crypto, you only own ETF shares. So what's your take? Investing in crypto ETFs could be the perfect way to dip your toes. Join the crypto revolution. Like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.